IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you prefer to save money or spend it? Why? Band 5 answer.
I prefer to spend money because I like to buy things that make me happy. I don't save much because I think money is for using, not keeping.
Why is this a band 5? The response is clear, but very simple. Limited vocabulary, buy things, make me happy, lacks development, and complex grammar structures. Basic fluency, but ideas are repetitive and undeveloped. Band 7.5 answer.
I usually prefer to save money, especially for important goals like traveling or emergencies. However, I don't completely restrict myself. I still spend on experiences that bring me joy, like dining out or watching a good movie.
Why is this a band 7.5? Clear, natural flow with balanced ideas. Some complex grammar, especially for I don't completely restrict myself. Good range of vocabulary. Important goals, experiences that bring me joy. Lacks only a touch of idiomatic sophistication for Band 9. Band 9 answer.
I tend to prioritize saving rather than spending because I value financial security and long-term goals over short-term pleasures. That said, I believe in striking a balance. Occasionally, treating myself helps me stay motivated while still maintaining discipline with my finances.
This is a Band 9. Fully developed and well-balanced answer. Excellent lexical resource. Prioritize. Financial security. Striking a balance. Maintaining discipline. Natural, complex grammar and connectors. Demonstrates clear control, precision, and fluency. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.